The thing with FHA though, if you refinance within the first 3
rebate.
years, then you get that rebate from your MI.
So explain that to people that don't know.
Okay, so if you have an FHA loan, you're probably paying that 3.5% down because you didn't have the funds to, pay the rest. So they're going to add mortgage insurance to the loan. Pretty much, if you default at any time, they're going to get their money back. So that's the safety net with the FHA loan. But to you have to pay that extra out of pocket every single month. And that's for the life of the loan. People think that they can do it,
Right. I was going to say, talk about how do you get rid of that?
Right, you can't.
So what would be their option if they were like, okay, I'm done with this MI, but I know I have equity in my property. What are they doing at that point?
Refinance to a conventional loan. That's your only option. I mean, the MI is going to go down every month the longer you have it, but you will have it for the life of the loan.
Unless you refinance.
Exactly.
Or if you put 10% down when you purchase.
Which then you should just do a conventional one.
Right.
Well, some people can't. Some people can't. So like people that purchase, they have a 580 credit score, they put 10%
but they have the
down.
money.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
This industry is very custom, as you can hear from this conversation. It's extremely
Everybody's
custom.
different.
So
yeah.
that speaks to something like people want to Google stuff and think they know something.
Not general.
In mortgages,
Google.
there's no common sense and everything is very specific. So you really need a person to tell you. And the thing is, you need an agent that you trust.
Right.
That's so important to have somebody that's gonna tell you the best situation possible.
Right.
Don't
Call your friend, your best friend, your
Your cousin, your auntie, because they don't know
They
anything.
don't. Their experience
They don't
can
know
be
anything.
completely and totally wrong.
Correct.
Call a professional.
And the fact if they had a bad experience with somebody else,
It's just going to pass down to you.
yes.
Girl, they supposed to pay your closing costs.
Right.
Don't refinance. They gonna steal your money. Don't refinance.
They gonna set you back all the way back to the 30-year
there's so
term.
many
Now you're gonna be
expensive-
paying extra time.
No.
All of that.
No, right.
All
As
of
I
that.
say, weigh out the cost. 3 years in, if you're 3 years into your FHA loan, you're going to get a huge MI refund. Okay?
Right.
You're going to get that money back. It's not going to be as much as you put down.
And most people
thousands of
actually
dollars.
end up selling their first home. You're not even going to be here.
Exactly. Or keep it.
Whatever. Whatever.
Right.
So, yeah, it's crazy.
But yeah.
Consult a loan officer.
Yes.
That's the bottom line.
Consult a loan officer. But I would say if you're at a 4.25 right now in this industry, you definitely need to look into exploring refinance options.